Welcome to Visual Studio Code, a versatile code editor designed to enhance your productivity. Let's dive into creating a new project. First, open Visual Studio Code and select File from the top menu, then click on New Folder. This is your workspace. Name your new folder appropriately. This helps in organizing your projects efficiently. Next, create a new file. Again, go to File and click on New File. This is where your code will live. Start coding. Begin by writing your initial code. This is where the magic happens. Finally, save your project using Ctrl+S. Your project is now ready to be developed and refined. Congratulations! You've set up your project. Explore extensions and tools in VS Code to enhance your workflow. Don't forget to check out VS Code's documentation for more tips on maximizing your coding experience. Join the community. Engage with fellow developers to share tips and project ideas. Keep coding and experimenting. The more you practice, the better you become. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Happy coding! Explore the power of Visual Studio Code and take your coding skills to the next level.